And that's Selena Boateng at the back. Bringing time to 32 after 3. On 106.3 Adom FM. Good afternoon. I do believe so here. Yende Radiasi one pepe so the Edri. And then so free Sabe copy himself when we know and you feel consume the air bro. Yes, Friday the 5th of March 2021. Crack, rather the Gusuko anymore. And then Friday, and as you already know, Friday Viano, yeah, friend Freestyle Friday. It is sure as I said, Formula Viana, who be Sana, there, when you were bound, so I just said, Via Kugu. Sure, Baba. Muni Abema Jerry Justice Namotimeke, Papa Bills were African, Waha, James Town, J. Cole, so Waha. Mijidi is on so. Yeah, the videos of our time here to us almost is here. And Pacho, join me on Facebook right now. Borem was is here. Borem is here on Facebook. Yeah, we may be a Facebook man. Why? Munchame to me was is here now. And that video, no, you try to me and call anymore. In the meantime, I say about Koya Nimino. Congrats, Kasiapa and come out. Abapa Christy. Say what deliver handsome baby boy. Yeah, the radiasi. Yeah, my branch and Swakaba. Yaminkan Hona on Domono. Bonat Nasio Yesudimu. Ameno. Eti Amauchikwa. Unuklu. Yaminkan home. Abusia floral disposable handkerchief no. Papa. They say no one here come from Mobia. And when you saw the normal cotton handkerchief show Botumwa number bia now they are papa. Oh yeah, hitting or the papa. Ubawa or the Catuano. If you feel to the papa, Oko wash on side papa, there be a day. Next you Botum. James Yana the Namsa. And you're hygienic. Mount Sanka floral disposable handkerchief. No use you. Ya run a crocro come out. A fetty or pocket move or personal handbag easily. No one swing your day. A shimmy bray. A tree back now you should be a pen we're disposing of. One day, my channel. A product of Delta Paper Mill Limited. Opebiato market baby available do panel. Now what friend 0243 033 033. Now Flora. So the one that I know is proudly made in Ghana. Now Sabo Swim Machi Aya Ghana Mantintino. We are giving away amazing gift. The SOYAN said just follow our social media pages at Delta Paper Mill. At Delta Paper Mill. So just visit our social media pages now for more details. Now someone said to me I can watch it there. Happy Ghana man. Dominion about powder. Unyanya be a pebiwate. Say level na you do no. As I saw to build a strong immune system. Now a timia boa a fight against every infection be a body peduanum. Dominion about powder nedjumo ya no. A sign boa normalize blood pressure. Why you market to be an hour brain? Wow, kidney or heart related problems, you know. Diabetes, no stroke now, when you be at all herbal shops, I would do more across the country and cry out corner and watch herbal. I feel Hallows herbal in our Kanshi drug lane, as well as King's Walk herbal. When you be at all more and more to my monko Little George Health Shop. Baby, oh, and yes, our phrase 0543 158 195. Our phrase 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. Maybe roll call Facebook is here. Now, for videos of our time, video now, you know, you're trying to swat to move. That's right, y'all. And they say Obasi Masi, Wunya MP be extra kwanya. Yeah, I'll come market share food products now kotono. Make sure say the Obasi Masi, it was our food products no. Wunya uni sape to be coffee. AGI and Ghana Standards Authority na kabom. I introduce you the Obasima seal, where a special seal they are both food products out of home market. It took a top food products be now say Obasima seal no where just food products no 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, here ye pa mode or the same. I had the mabusiani na the teacher animal. So go on, choose Obasima, stay healthy and stay strong. I feel by Kankatsi. JK Company Limited. Yeah, on my end. Nataraj products. Any stationary product out of Pirano. Yeah, but remove Facebook no so. Now and then videos of our time. Yeah, share. If I chop bra Facebook says here now. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Na yen twantum ho says here now. And video no. Yen channel kakra ne ade. Na say baby ya dro yi. Say ye can COVID-19 wasem wa. Na ye can vaccination asem. Yes. Vaccine ya be ya man for asha se bono. Ya meti yi, majime de boko yi. Say ye can COVID asempe, na ye can vaccine ho asem. Na ade ne bono. Aye bibio. Kofo wrong man for ade a. O me ko. Afom ko duru onso a na ye nsem and videos of our time. Yeah, the various videos. Dear years of my family uncle. But me media and crowd, there's some media and me find cool near the idea. Oh, yeah, compiling some of the videos. Now, no share. Let's face the fact. A woman said, Pania Bono. When you try pass a day war with the Musano, and yet easy, sir. But you see, when I don't know who decided what you say, this is how it is supposed to be done. It's me primitive na magia. You can just take it. And he said, £24 to his open. Na what the police need. I said, no, why ye. Vasina will take it. Keke. It's just a second. I did TLT keke. Now, she said, the pennyphobia TN is so. Vaccination centers need na maza. A hard dream. And ye baba check video in I share said the Bessia Quafa. It's patrol join me on Facebook says here. Quick roll call. Beatrice Delali. I say thank God it's Friday. Much grateful to Yahweh. I say hey, what they just a monk who say I shall say a kind. There no. See the way the messages they do. Sad disco dance, yo. Anyway, Mary Ado was a brother. I'm watching you at Mataheko. And I feel Kuma Abraham Archery. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. When we move on, Inkum Daniel. I say hello, Jerry. Victoria Broca. Hey, Asaman Kasi Beyonce. On Jamu Facebook the day. I say good afternoon today. I am H. Diakanoma. Hana Jampo. I'm so because today I'm happy or something because each penny by the can't trust me. Hana Jampo says good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Faustina Ferry. And also see Freestyle Friday be a guy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What that? Obiba Kezi. Or is it Kizzy? I don't cry. Ira. Atiafaso. Yes, all kind of. Okay, so Salome in Kansas said, good afternoon, Jerry. Oh, one also message neither. Now, answer now, and you be video no videos of our time no. Me patrol tea. just a quick one on the vaccination air cost. A patch of so call Akobo vaccina and as all corner waku J COVID-19 vaccine paniana. The ON say Obefa on national ID card now the account. A binum to me could do center ho. Why Johnny Q na do no so na fe o card when ya a fe no sen kofiaba a yen SMP. A patch of okwa fa o national ID baako no cry friend say you know there be baako na national ID no okay so national ID card that's the national identification card no obia fako but the woman say you obia na was a national identification card no into ni bia betimi the voters ID na ko. I saw some people with their passports too but I don't know no me cry there me ko na me kura me passport but omo no say omo me won national ID ni mu a so there no na me national ID no so account na me the mom so national ID no and our voters ID card now take it along so kwa so what you say now kwa boko relaxed come on na fi ye de ade na bo medical aka enra me chirechire mu say there are symptoms bi abehu it differs from obi to obi. How my system will react to the vaccine I'm taking might be different from yours. What you say? Enti amo obi na ada obi a wako obi aba no meka se na de me call ye na de ehu bi anim that one I can assure you. Me wo me de no enra me obi a me ye me ho I hwe kran kadwuma akra me ma because owo wi a the next day no it me say now a day after my one and I'm starting experiencing symptoms ni ye pa slide headache bi kakra umti enra meti ameti mu na biti dwan me kakra ne ade so nei me ba bia mu medwe enam te hei bo se omu ana se ofili feverish kakra eti edu ba bi na nka me yakra ka se esi no mu ndunu se mo ana mo hwe me ndra no mu hu ya me start show no na me shirt na ehwe me no ma batem de edu me chest ha yi ape but aye kakra no me close me top bottom neck bottom no me close ni na akra because na I say me feel feverish kakra but getting to enwemu work kakra so no na fi I say fifre team na I say wuro de me bisa na ade I say when ya fever bi our system no on sa de no eti reaction kakra beba but men no emohu enye hwe oda so de numzuo no ada numzuo eno ano no onti hwe biem me de yes awie ya nnu me da besi nei me te hwe me ba bia mu medwe me ti me nte headache bia awon ne me o show ne me efifiri boni bia mfi me na me te ho yi a me bo me brei etimi pa cho wa den a o system no be react to vaccination na kom and like I said yesterday and chishem ne wo mu kra che say so react to it na and no kra na che say we immune system no I recognize this ade na aba umu no amanu nti no o hye ase ye adwuma no se de be ya emfaso na ese onya ewo vaccine na wa taking no so no ubenya so you should even be happy so o hye ase hu sa symptoms na etipacho men worry cry na bibia cool afa videos of our time and yen koso na yen fantoto yi yen hwe amanfo binom ekwan a won fa so eteki vaccine no na Jeku famiko just I had you eti patch up on Facebook says here Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook videos of our time na yeda bia na de serious ones bia areho ana say bi ni ade to da bia so utimi sire kakra so na ade so ati ase na look at this man hwe atie for hwe Bema Pamwa. Yeah, what panye wa Sadia come. Dabi 82 was we a mouth for being reaction. A choir, yeah, fast will bop nkrofo reacted to it enye ni na ye COVID-19 vaccination dey bi but say dem di kan no yakeka nkrofo eteki tani na injection aye teki nkrofo a ye bom pane in general say dey omo esi react enti ebi wa behu say pane ne dey boneto me pa twa no nye COVID-19 dey but videos no doso enti e beba me beba besi COVID-19 dey isu ya ye dey bowo ya beti no so no eno so behu bi but dey wadi kan hwe yi bi eye nkrofo a ye bom pane no ne to woto gina ho kan papa we dey yi eye dey ye bono COVID-19 dey bi ho na beti we dey ye bono beti a na hwese de papa no wa hye ase a wo kam efa hwese de papa yi wa hye ase a hwese odi kwai sa
你把护士吓得不开口。
我的娘哎！
把他的肩膀上绑住了。
别动呀！哎呀！哎呦，我的娘！哎呦！哎呦！哎呦，我的娘哎！
手怪不得你说你再不陪他。
那openi wo ye say ya enti say wo no ba bi na ko
哎呦！
Oh no. Enti wudi you say ya pani toto pa na wo ye say. Na say that bi say oba yare na ade ko hospital. Na ye kobo oba ne pane. Na kwa ni su na wo papa ne ka cho. Oh no. Tie. Afi o ma me nche ma de bi. Ade ne wo no. Like I said earlier, enye easy say wo hwe onwonko pa na num say ade ya na ode pane tua wo skin mu and that form sa. But you see, ni nyina ne say obedi wo trim say ade na wo no enku empraw eniwawu enye ohwe. So utimi nya sa adwene de show trim a you be able to stand obetimi aye din na wateki. Oh, cool. Na video we no on e roli kakra wi a make sure mo akola ketwa ono mpanifo su eye ewu no ono akola ketwa ye wo no panem akola ne de cool kra che se asanye panem po na ye de wa akola no oh na ayi hwe opani we mpo de ne to aye wo no panem hwe opani hwe enipa mienu emema mienu mu na aye yire no akwabana ne pa na aye yire no just because o take injection one two. Look at this. How? Pania kakare sister is here. E ma ba miensa mua. E na ejigire na sebe na yebetimi awone pania wone to. Oni pen so o yare izuzu pania ne be wona ho ato. Hwe de wo ye. Hwe de wo ye. Hwe pa. Tie. O tiene sound. No. Afe Jeko yanko akola no so. Yanko akola na ye wone pane a ono wama mpanifo ni na hu se no omukro nyomu nyobia no. Yanko akola no so. Se da akola nteki pane no cool. Asa chese hwinsi empa cho bra Facebook sesia. Na behwe wo mpanifo ya ye bom pane omo reaction se de ebinim usu iyo for ene omo so e lelelelele mom na afi hwa akora no he look at this small boy he asa on tea so dogo bi nu abe what hwa akora no oda hodi ne de pane na tua no to se ti he akwa no wo no so ohun za akora na edi nti ore wa to no boas na wo no sa he owie no de cotton ato so man kama eno wa hye tale na ode ne se robe ne tuma afi akola ne sire ono hwe de wi a ye gro ne to no a ne sire o sire na nimu awe chiche kama we ono ohwe pane ne po ohwe ye hu se de pane ne ba emfa no ho kra cool wow matucha makola yi matucha mano papa what you ya ye Robin to na man enisre enti mo amu ko wono mo amu nyan ko wo ye na afi na mo ko wono moko ho amamungu mu ani mu ase mo ma hwe de akola na ye no na munsua eye ku enku enya ohwe oh me ama down for pa Caroline Sampson ye mama Caro wo kamuti kwai na bas na Caro na Caro ade kakrai oso mi de jai no Charlie yen hwa akola idi hwe se de oda okulem asa hwinsi ye de pane atua na won kama yesrem why enye ade bi ekum nti yenya abotre na yenye ne kakra na ebe fine yen fast dama JK Company Limited on my Nataraj stationery products say pens, pencils, pencil cases, crayons, mat sets, no money can kahunina no omo ena ede brain. Also available here JK exercise books are JK 5-star A4 as well as A3 papers. Papa ni bino. And stationery products how do pina no omo ena ede brain. Patrobe hu ye cha kwan e number 60 Otublehum Street close to Air Christ Embassy our North Industrial Area. Yenin komo and abetimi asend in WhatsApp there for 0540 125 999. That's 0540 125 999. Na enkomo bia obia no. Ya din fefe kama na emwa bia ebetimi dia abo bia so no. Ya make sure say onsa ebetimi akasa emwa no. Uzo awuti Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. Na enche bia no yebeti asemo edi etu ye hofo. I would you do so. Na akwedi when they on komo bebre ya de bre on. Me ma rent free. Say shine your hustle activation here the bebre on. It's your name pacho. Adwuma ben na oye. And so to me shine your hustle and na hwe so betimi anya chede a. Unim say Bosome match mu na egusu gina and this month of March no Ghana man what you say na ni nyina ne say eneyi key soap say ade ba ko etimi de say ba wani mpa abrini nyina say obekai the good old days, but it is even better when that smiles last for generations. For years, Key Soap has taken care of the nation's laundry needs and also rewarded Ghanaians every step of the way. Yasachiremu, Yasesemu, Amene, the idea by a key brilliant. Nina no sono. Yetimi a stay through to who we are with our longest lasting tradition. The traditional bar soup nankasano. Me check key nankasapa. Yes, a tradition of smiles, a future that's bright. Happy Independence Man. Key soap still a man sambo for. Happy birthday going out to a very dear one, Francisca Cardinal Bain. May the Almighty God shower his blessings on you. May he protect you. May he guide you. And may he grant you all your heart desires and your secret prayers as well. From Nanam Kwantabisa. We are young Comfort Royal Drinks Mount. And only come if you Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. your royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, and royal cocktail. We know the perfect flavors now here. So go on and enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks, also you go like them. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. For bulk purchase, phrase 0262 351 251 or phrase 0272 133 373. Happy birthday going out to you, Timothy Amwako, Oye Asen Dossi, Dudona from Pache. Wishing you God's blessings and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday today from Malcolm. Say Obia when you taste. Oh. But whatever your favorite food is, and a Gino, 4 crumb on the abebomuno. Your friend of Gino Max, 12 grams. Sauce seasoning tablet, we know. There were 3 varieties. Yeah, no bit me amount also I extra special. Enjoy your meals like never before when prepared with Gino Max. The no okra shrimp with pepper, and a Gino Max shrimp, and a Gino Max shrimp with spices. Me and Sano any. So whether you are making authentic Ghanaian jollof, delicious light soup, or that special stew for the family and our friends and our loved ones, you know, make sure you give it a touch of flavor with Gino Max seasoning tablet at a price you will love. We'll be able to taste with Gino Max seasoning tablet. There's a flavor to satisfy everyone. Gino truly cares. Abusan Pachotie Ghana Mountain Run Yogusway. It is that time again to rap the motherland. And MTN is bringing a little fun and games to the occasion. And it's saying, hey, pretty simple. And they, well, Ghana national anthem, yeah, in there, yeah, wow rendition and our wow version of Ghana's national anthem. Not what video, Now, if you want to post it on Facebook and our Instagram, now I target MTN Ghana. Now, what keep your fingers crossed? I shall say, obey me and your giveaways here, maybe. It could be a new Samsung A30 mobile phone. Bet me I heard there. Cool. So please join us. Our Brian market the occasion like a true Ghana bar. Post yourself singing the national anthem and tag MTN Ghana, and let's celebrate the good times because we're good together everywhere you go. Jerry, you know I was born on the 6th of March, 1957. Mr. Richard Mante. So please join me, thank God. He has blessed me and my family, pa. So sing a happy birthday for me. Oh, boss, my voice in there, new. Okay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear daddy. Happy birthday to you. We're in advance because Nyame had much now. And your birthday, that's the 6th of March. nyame ka ho abuso ya baba hwa asem adi tu yonfo na wie pe enkomo bi ofia na ya tene te na ye afio kama e de ama but before that no and they Go TV a special one power. We have a fantastic offer from now till the 31st of March 2021. Pretty simple. Oba Binya a Go TV Max at a discounted price of 60 Ghana cedis only. Now wait to me enya enjoyment that lasts longer. We are talking about mouth-watering local dramas on Rock GH, African Magic, spicy hot telenovelas fresh from Star Life, and international series. Now fear bano movies near the Adinswa. Movie channels na pina ye pia gum dia ma e ba no sports nso sports channels pina ye pia gum e dia ma and afi e mo fra no so no ye twa sweetest kiddie shows in na so e dia tai echi enti bo modern a e ma onsa enka wo de betimi a connect e wa bra wo no wo use my Go TV app no na chese bibia koyi e de amount Go TV love it afi ya hwe asemo ene yadi tu yon for dwumadi so na yewia enkomo awufia yebedi sa enkomo no so fe kama as I've already informed you about sa enkomo no na ni nyina mu no ene asemu adi tu yon for no maniji pa maniji yi se enhye dan ye asembia se yibia sa na emumu no ehu behia se ubetimi atie bi na onso no ahye won kran enei menam ho ehwie nhye mebotom mebotom nye but mani age o makoma mu papa enam asem bia metie nti na sa asem na metie no ena me pese me no edigina so na ene yina ye de share home crying. This is not this is not something that I am going to read and then we are pretty simple. Say mo amutai tie dwumadi mo be kaya aya na from time to time me taibo abrantie bi din ye friend Kwabi me ka say oton ade wo Accra Plaza Toll Plaza hono so Ofie Accra na okọ tema Toll booth ho e na branch no ewo a oton ade o na chese wo ye hoka ewo ho na minim na abranch no one time bi na ogina me ana say midi mu na say bedu na traffic ne ade a ti e penos o brajeri o wuni no so mi follow pa o ne ade a bition so pa ene ho na o hyase ke kansem sem bi mu a me kra maka kra me aize mi refi nam so wow ti midu obi a ohumi a no dibika no aba ebu abi kro obi wa okọhye na nko mpese otimi ya no obiebie kwan ma so mra afedu ba bi oso obetu atu na mam na so kwabi amenyeza oso da bi obraje ma mdiamo hwe abranche ne ya ma o introduce mi ama omo ato peters omo gidi to ho no omo nyina akra be hu mi nti afa mi nya du ope no mo nya so obraje ne ba ati se mi nua me na me kru ni ade a na menene be ye free ema me de me number man no so ewo mu a ye kasa me hye ne nkran kakra ne ade a kakra Abuja, the reason why I'm using these boys and your friends issue no che asemuye anawie any emede ye asemu edi tu yehu funu ne say sometimes aya na enye baby aye gina no na e matter o but botaye si ani so no ene de e pese ye no you lose focus on that na say ye tokoso a abrabo no ye betimi adu ba bi e pese ikodu no me nto a menye tenten. It was just 3 days ago. Sometimes me kofia one of our drivers aya menen ne kotema enti mene John ene kwa oye drivers bi o multimedia enti ye du ho no ena me catch John for some time now, me hu Kwabi wa ha o. Me hu no ha. Nti me akra last me yesa me frɛ me hu ana me refi. Inti some friend na me finding out the reason why I only help him because me do obi me who know more than for some time now. And put me can't share John and I went away. Just when I decided say me friend and no power me hono sa and I kwabi send me message say and nay any birthday. Last year me came wishing a birthday no din birthday me wishing on this same show. Send me message and power say any birthday and I'm so wow. And I'm so kwabi na mentonka also yes gradually see here makwako pm our University of Education our Winneba. I'm like what? Now the sort of excitement that I know business. So what are you doing that just say I feel not I don't know abusia like I said from the beginning and nesikabi and shembutu but many ajia so I don't know but I am just so happy. Boy now give you apple. There was a time you were selling bread or turn bread. I was told to no oh bar now the or the chesi or can hon sa ne ade a. Afi do baby me hu kwa bi na kura apples. Na so kwa bi na o say bread no sheda nti masesem kakra. Na fi o turn apples so e de man krofo. I was told to he kept to it. Onibutaya na si nani so. Onim say sika ni we de ne call direct. Enti e so no hustle e wo ho. Kakran na utimi gada sika. Na utimi de to na disua so. Today he's at the University of Education Winneba and he's celebrating the birthday today. Happy birthday to you Kwabi. Nyame hira wate. Na said the was sin kiti so beko anim no. De aka bia say rade de kan ho bia na rade mfa kan ho. I know said this will go a long way to inspire others, to motivate several others in your situation. No mo so no omo an give up. No mo etimi ato akoso akomo anim. Nyame kan ho no mensi wie. Ye be kasa minua. Nyame hia. Eti mpacho nso a wutie me don't give up. Me nya wadwen se wo de wo no efie nye na sika ni ho na ade enti no saa wujeja ho. Kakran. Akeka bomu a obetimi akọ anim na odaya ana obota yesi wani so no wonso obetimi aduru hu nyame hwai na onfasa adom no endom yen afeye monrem na yeni nkomo kakra me wo gentleman mienu ewo menchen ewo studio ha be mo akwaba na afi nkomo bia ewo bia no ye de aba betum anim na yehum said esieko gentleman patro mama akwaba
yeah eja brajeri
na mo want to say
yami adom brajeri
nice emaniji say yehia mo ena wie yi
na what is saying
oh yami adom me ho ye pa ma wo me covid injection or your friends say vaccine na match say bibia fine na ade bibia fine pa okay dedi kan obi be kase na emrantie yi omufri he na your friend say short introduction of yen to aso
you free Allergy Vision Herbal Clinic ehona yo ye di adwuma
okay all right dedi kan bia na enene the very first day I will be at Allergy Vision Herbal Clinic. Ya kasa na ye patches na dwumadie ben importance apa na mudie.
Oh yo, ya kasa Allergy Vision Herbal Clinic. Allergy Vision Herbal Clinic here bia me di abibidro edi dwuma. Married die wo abibidro mu yie. Ya kasa abibidro mu pa dia. Married die mu yie. Yeso so mu ni honamani.
Okay, enti dien sa na how bi na obowura mu a obetimi enyamwa.
Ipacho efa se ani ho haw bia. Se wani glaucoma na abaso. Etene wo so. Eso yo wisi. Wo hwa ade a wo hu ne ye. Edu na dwa wontumi drive. Obi e ho awia kura mframa fa na niso a na se enkane bi titi wo na niso. Ase de anwia bi ni nam na niso. Wo wa we se wuti ye wo ya. Obo se honam ye wo basa. Diabetes how BP mojabruso yi na how na etete wo stomach ulcer typhoid be ma wonti bi mo adwuma yi ho pamu wa brante na to ensanwe honhom mu ensanom ensanom honhom atiasi ne so wanom nsan waka oba bia wokunu waka wontumi nyae maame oba wo de na to school mu wanom nsa cocaine emranti ade ya be se tramol waya wo kan wontumi nyae mpacho nyankopon ama me ho aduro ya bidro kan ye ne aye mamu ha
wow
insha Allah so de ne ba obegyae no mama ho ato be ma wontumi mbo adwuma yie be ma ona oba wo pa wo enso so de ne ba nyankopon da roma eno so me wo ho aduro ya bidro
enti ye kan na Dr. Laji awo ho be for how long ni
oh my adwuma no over 6 years me ba shwan
wow yeah. wow enti dia wo kan nyina no bibiduro krogin wo ho no mu a obetimi dia hwe yi sa wo ha ni na afri ho
bibiduro krogin ye ne aye mamu ha aye nubna aban ene nunsini ene nuanom biaba ene me na mo hira so ama me ena me de ye adwuma
okay enti fane se ye wo ye you know every ben sa I say me nyidu level be sense ansa na bia ma baba bi se me ba be hwe mani ho asem aka
oh me pa show eno de eni yare ni de emfa ho ni ba bia wanyina duru me na wanya 120 years so na ode Samsung kitwa imanwa tumi hwe so yi numbers
sa
na ni krogin kopin se nyakopon to ne nsafre no
wow
time na so nti eni yare ndi obi ho ebe wo no kra na o yare wani yare obi so ho abia sunsum asase bi ho ai bia fie bi ho nsem na bia ya tosa no mande ama no ete no se nyakopon da woro ma se wo ba metinite
de enye se bia fumso bi na kofa ba na obi na ahye da pese wo se obi ani no eno so betimi adu duma
nyakopon da woro ma
wow
insha Allah se woduru ho no ma
wow
bia ba eku
ye kan e bia no bi etika mu wo ye dun ba bi obesi hefa na ye hwehwe ye Alaji Vision Herbal Clinic wa e bi hu no
ipa so hwe Alaji Vision Herbal Clinic ka me wo kokomremre mo chi he ya Adom TV
yeah ata me fasa to krumu ya
obi na masane yare na wa abrochire Hanover maimu Germany and wa beje sa place na mame
sa
ipa for free free
obi a wo wasane yare
obi a masane yare wonani me wi amede adansidi be kire ende ya me no ka se
wo Germany
Hanover maimu
ena ono no ho ekrata semni
we dey New Jersey ene ya me send no ko New Jersey to be tie me ho a
papa na no disani farma
enti wo timi sa nani yare ma no ena wa beji place wo ha wo kokomiem ni ama se tra ho ne be ya adwuma ho
okọ hospital no omo si chese nani ne enya adwuma biom
e Germany ho no
odi areho o how ni atete ena obi de me number man no ena o frame into frame no de ne how to no me se me de be compile bom
wow
timi de compile bom na me da so da ye bia so a nyankopon adominya haban a ye adwuma foforo
wo de en sa na tie
ipa shon anti so do have too many more me bom paye
me ba twen enye se wo de no bia enro no wa boa no gu obi ba so ene problem ni ade wo de no wo bo ho paye na nyame yi a kire wo na wokote sa haban na de ya na ye duma
madro bi so abenu bia so insha Allah ho be se Bible si ni dua na ba ne ba haban
se wo ko bo me ho paye nwumri na Monday ma me tonka why so timi ko bo me ho paye pa enti ye de eni no se enti wo se kokomlem Adom TV achi ha that means fan of first street the next one there that you woni e hwa na wo
hotel na Rex Hotel in the opposite
wow
yeah
wow okay yenhwe apart from any die you know there other treatment biem na ye betimi abeje no
e ba just stroke about this year na to ho wo de akini sa wonya no aduro diabetes na e hawo diabetes e na e hawo awo na wo pe awo na wo pe wadwuma sam na ye basa no ade e hawo bia no obema na fu ya kakraka opese na fujo wo ye bema wa fuso upese wo bobeta mfata upese wo fu no jo o ti bobeta inshallah wa channel pa family number ina bra
jo mu amo pese ba mo ya wa do ati
wo ye bema upese wo bo adwuma de wo mpam a yire bo ebo ne nsem masa de e ya ne se wiase se wo sika wo den se danke se nyina ye wo de na wo timi mo adwuma
na wo yire nso wo mfa
wo mo ko mo bo che
ko oba so no da hu ya na nyesa de nso ntimi fa
nya no na wo ba Dr. Laji me mo wo bo adwuma adwuma be chia me
wow
wa fuso pese wa fujo wo beta emfataw wo fu e kapu
okay
bra me ma wadro me twi wo fu na ba fom
bills dey why young exercise ya na ade about
if I should so you make sure kwanya the numbers am dey beto dwane
okay
0242 0242 81 24 26 Pacho tieni
yeah
0242 81 24 26 Pacho so friend I engage Vodafone no senior 0502 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78
okay
Mpacho me number sam didi jumani so frame ya Dr. Laji mi anka sa mefa me no batwetwe nkomo
Dr. Laji ya wo herbal clinics ne centers bebre wo krumu a edian na ma wo de no ye different and dance free the aka
Mpacho de ba me de ne dance no nko ne ani ne ho adwuma me ye no because I know na me de ye adwuma ne de papa me na de wo me ka wo fie ha ne Emma Matiefo nyina temi nkase ya adoma chede Yankopon de acheme
de ntia na me kase obe bɔ me ho mpae no se mani makɔ ama wɔn ahwa ma me na wɔn ma me space wɔn na me soso no mani nye ne hye ho eti yɛn hye dan yɛ part of me sa no ne boɔ de mitimi tu alensi ne boɔ den me kɔ ba bia me yɛsɛ me yɛ na me hu ana magya no ave me hwɛ ma yɛra ne saa 5 times na me se me nhye biem ena matu agum nam de na me de ye ane ade
papa no dey problem oba space na to braga yare bi na aba otinum ana yare bi aba omojam ena aba wani so nti so course but near be operation na papa ja operation ne ye na bra na me mo aduro ne no meba pa obi a wa ye operation obi o ha wa nani ni wa ye ba ko operation esa so me ye ba ko na kan ho eh e pa cho jai ne bra na me ma onuro ya ye no operation kra no onso mra
okay memo akwanya no na yede nkomo yi ba wie no wa asem bia pese o ka de to Ghana for etimu bia no wa ka kire na wie a wa sign the number no location no ama e bi me asore so okay manager ma wanonko
brother name da say obey amazada e de ama alaji once obisa question bi say e be den na nipa no onifie send wedi ansa na ho say okokохwe ne
yeah
glaucoma ewo hoi eno no eba emonka ye any sign bia e di ba ntine ne hia ne say wo ho bia say wo nipa dua na nkasa wo di wani ne ko sene ya wo di ikoya omohwe edi ma ono na omohwe so edi ma say yale bia e den ba so a because eba wie dia ho asem kana e den eni na odi beba ya so ye na ya hwe edi ama nti yale am boss bebre ni nyina no ye ho adwuma ebi ti se kaka ye ho adwuma ena gonorrhea menstrual pain ni nyina so ba eye ma no mo yare no ba no so ye be ma ho adura wo be no ma ebi jai diabetes bo ha na ni na e ha no na diabetes bo be no ma adura no be do ba ye o se ba no ma adura sa ma chin sa do kan ko etini aye ne wo ba ye ho bia na ye test sugar first ade ye eno no ansa na ye ho se wo adura na o se wa no ma enye ne bia na sugar no ai wo body no no ntina e ba ne sa no
okay
ma no ba adura first ansa na ye de ni de na ye den aka ho na etimi aye adwuma ye no mesini ni ese na obisa no eye 0242 81 426 0242 81 2426 me pacho voda no nso ni 050 21 87 178 050 21 87 178 obu onsa na kompo na woni mi na say I go ita no so ba nkoye operation alaji be mo adra ba numa eno so be yi ni nyina
okay
na hernia ne ye chu na ya boy ye mema ha so no ma ho adra ni nyina be fibroid nso sa adro ya ye ko mani ya di receipt e chu fibroid do ne dia mani ma mi bi e kesi
okay
a won mu a enche within the month plus so say obefra kasa alaji ni nyina eko
yada ma se da fofo bia be san hia na yadi nkomo right
but your numbers no me san fam to give me so 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 but your voda no sini 0502 187178 pachotie 0502 187178 pachotie for Madamasima Crown.
Yes, so yada asipa. Right, check the time now, 22 after 4 on 106.3 Adom FM. A patrol color party air basso den mema refi this trip no. Colors na repping white, orange, black, blue, and red. Na yeah, shasi ni muno. Achedi na be shasi PP mu. Weekly prices be PP mu. Ya bit me nya chef Eddie and son and nyame ya Adom on the 27th of March no. Yeah, they fu and ankasa no I share so near who said the echo. What do I say? Eti bomodia so be kosweti Adom FM. Obesha Adom TV. Betia Sempa FM. Na watimi hu de ekọ ene de ba nyina e bia na won so o hwe u TV the flat screen HD TV said you hu ne ma clear ne ade na e o say mu da hwa ama but ne de pese e kire no say ubetimi anya de o hwe no quality no ubetimi anya 5 times better than standard definition. Yes, benya no better 5 times than standard definition. Ninja say Ubema on Saka the new HD Plus decoder from the nearest authorized dealer or any Electroland showroom nationwide. Now I enjoy the feely experience on your HD TV like never before. Obefry 0242 439 872. Now I sort you out. Come up. Sir Scott Atnase, yeah, they around the world in 5 minutes, bro. But answer na yen fast that can say my proud sponsors on my boy Danny Den na my itimiti asemo editi on funafi area and then to aso. Door Master and Pubima Paint Depot. A patch of hot and Uber Remun and they let me enjoy 5% to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. You endorse range from exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. Doors how do you now? Ubo Ryan paint ya from one as well. Your partner with News Paint. Yeah, your acrylic emotion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, damp proofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty. If that paint accessories need no, away answer yeah. And no encodan channel. And they the shares from Kwaba. Yeah, the airboa. Say yeah, churches, schools, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Yeah, your friend of paint now, pay later. A 2 bar near more paint now they are coping 2 there. Now what to was a tweet a canning crank a crab bra interest be in this war. Ubehu and Chakwan Ewo Pubima on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Your Pubima to booth wa. Would you know to booth wa when you to your shop in phrase 0542 745 222 and of 050 021 21. Your friend BM 050 021 2447. Now near Dinky Town. I feel as they do from my MTN saying can't you say it is that time again to rep the motherland. Nina and say Ghana Mantimuane we know. And they share modern Bob and I'll be to me about our black Ghana's national anthem no. Wow auto version or your rendition now what to add. This will be very interesting. It will be for phone no video who are wow auto version of Ghana's national anthem. Now what posting on Facebook and Instagram. Now what target MTN Ghana. Now fee what shall I say them Pi Boy HD. What the selected the out them Samsung A30 mobile phone brand new pa ebe order any HDP na. It found Jim Bie. Now you're interested in BC Aquafa. We're good together everywhere you go. I feel time about mixture. I say malaria fever and quadia. And yeah, now a time about mixture. Yes. Ebema who aton tempana. When you want to appetite na kuni na besamba back. We di mu e yo nyina so no. Mo be sesi hu so. Now person sisi hu so ntem I recommend a K&G about capsules no ma no for general well-being tia ma hu sisi hu so ntem pa. Kings Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Ray Jones, Zido Seba, ni na Kanshi Dragline okwa obinyabi. Ekus Pharmacy, By Class, Larry, and Awudama Pharmacy, ni na so ewa Shama okwa obinyabi. Tribe of Judah Kaswa, Pharma Trust, Wager Junction, ehonso okwa obinyabi. And yes, our phrase 0244-417-669. That's what it is. I feel be I drew so no. Say Scott Tatna CD. Then soon say around the world in 5 minutes wait says go. Says cuts. Jerry says cut. Jerry. I'm back on count. Says cut. Jerry. Akwaba.
Yeah, ni abrafeni.
Na empunu muti say.
Ya Kenny, over catch no one. You don't go tell nobody, eh?
Ye.
Yametias.
Yes.
Yametias. Jerry so hoye.
No ya pa.
Yeah, that chedi amfanya Yankopon basa yi Adom nase. Brother, and then Friday, and then Bojai.
Yes.
You do Fridays on me because I made that part. Yeah. Brother,
yeah.
My main country Ghana for one sign of a useless girlfriend.
One sign
of a useless
girlfriend.
And hey,
my girlfriend's be a useless.
Oh, my son, I may bet you one sign, woman. And it's she is crashing on a Korean actor. One sign of a useless girlfriend. She is crashing on a Korean actor. One sign of a useless girlfriend. Brother, I tell you.
Oh, Randy is you.
Brother, so what is our bar wedding 25 years? I can say, oh, me pebema or yeah handsome, tall. Oh, when he said, on your serious one, brother.
About where they
25 years. When the Obabi Abetis or say, oh, I want a guy who is tall, handsome, 6 packs and all that. When he said she's below 25 years. No more money 30 in a day. The Yan said Nippon home or Begenesa. Aye. The Yan said Nippon home or Begenesa, Bradley. And now, Miss Yababa will be. Adaya, the guy a DJ. Anna, which I said, we're cheating on us. Mission and Nimis Anna say, hey, now we'll be able to mix it 3 songs together. Now we're cheating. What is your problem? Don't you fear somebody who can mix 3 songs together? You don't fear the person.
Where are the DJs?
Now we're cheating also.
It's not just a Papa Bill's to be one number for the boom.
Not Papa Bill's are for a job at Casa. Somebody who can mix it. Now Papa Bill's as a Bakayu. Papa Bill's probably a catcher. Me come and some as a member.
DJ one and let's say Andy Dusty. Oh my goodness. DJs will grow.
To be the understand. And I say nobody can take what God has given to me. And I'm in this and say, so where is your virginity? What blocking me? Now some what's it nobody can take what God has given to you? Now I'm saying, so where is your virginity?
But are you the one who took it?
No. But some I'm absent. Say no, I'm in the mouth.
Now there's always a Osha where you should.
What blocking me? My friend, I am.
Okay.
Now you're told to be the ex. They will call you and ask you for money, not because they want to come back. They want to see. Say situation now woman na yeja won. What that one woman and as we improve. Nti no fra obi sa uskano. To the bia. But brother uni maybe.
This all catch.
If not for makeup and can many girls will have been our brothers. Didn't you
One yo. Oh there. We somewhere from me.
Me can't say me are no more 20 years to come. We want to say ababa one and battle. My dear son, the Shasia ne say, oh papa, or be like him a picture and or comment on Facebook. And I'm in a share and I woo. A baby story I be catch your man. Don't worry, the time is coming. Aye, the time is coming. Brother,
So when I wanna who say once na aba be see utiri so a. When you say you are thinking bullshit.
Don't repeat it.
I mean, yeah. Every successful
Yes.
Every successful man, there is a woman. Is that also? Every successful man, there is a woman. Anna.
Can you behind every successful man?
Oh, and behind a man family. Okay, behind every successful man, there is a woman. And the men, they have to increase the number of girls they are dating. Send your better success and better more.
So bet me about for more.
Oh, Debbie. Sir, according to a unit, brother, you wouldn't say common sense, it's not a gift, it's a punishment. Do you know why?
Common sense.
Sense.
Yes. Because was it sex?
Oh, I think. Common
sense is what?
It's not a gift, it's a punishment. Do you know why?
Why is it a punishment?
Because you have to deal with anybody who doesn't have
it. So you the one now want?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also
Unya boyfriend and so also you want to skip terms and conditions. What be that? Your boyfriend and Zana Webin Yakunu. Yanyanesa. Brother,
yeah.
Adia be hammy. Most girls, they are single and they are not dating anymore. Esan say, our relationship, they started at a young age. Odi be 12, 13 or started so watching, but it you need, you know, the data nasa. I want the mama mean to me.
Why?
Well, the data nasa. Gradually. My young fans, I'm no. Embro, na brother it you.
Me say.
Mommy, no, she has in me. Hey, I'm person what man can do, woman can do better.
To some extent.
Really? Can they write their names with their union?
Can you write what?
Their names. Or just so between the natural.
Me say you
my mentor. Brother, yes, Yanko, New York City. What order? New York.
How many times have you been in New York? Maybe I can't be Sammy.
Sam, maybe some is our own.
Yes, I'm very.
Oh, okay. That is a United States now.
Now United States, you want New York.
Some check the capital, me check London.
London, United States.
Some American on yes, brother.
So Scott, where did I there?
Menyasho. Some American. And I know me back. Make I say it was
no, it was New York City. It was New York City as American.
Make I say England on the capital.
Oh, England.
Yes.
No, it's London.
Good. And I'm Bisa will say. And what now? What that? Which is
when I'm in home, Miss Ubisa in New York, when Bisa in London.
I'm Bisa and I'm a city.
Yes. Okay, yeah.
Asama about
Wakoka a year, you can say me. And I'm in for win from Cecilia quickly now, yen twasso. Now, Odo, dear Naba. BA, British Airways for. And now, Omo Ediato, Omo Diato, or mine Ghana, and you say, ye flight. I know if he London, a back round. So what I say. Omo HNG airport no from Heathrow airport to Gatwick. So what I say. And Ghana for so say Sambo Mudia and almost so HNG almost so flights no from London to Accra no airport no instead of Kotukano almost so HNG at the Kumasi airport. And to free London na UK now back Ghana and do go straight no Kotuka straight to Kumasi airport. What I say? And you have be a foreign transition, you know, say Kumasi so because there. And the end of the night, say you change from Heathrow to Gatwick. You giant. And say they are kind of Oh my idea. I'm gonna tell you, Uncle, when's the sign there? And I just want more trouble from Wendy. And I just say, oh, my straight to Kumasi.
Gradually,
yea.
Now, you can making. I'm the Ababe to just send Chibia, and a fit, man.
Yeah, and a fifth.
Yeah, or maybe a cinema at home. But question I will be say, will people go?
And also,
and also any arsenal. But almost share, and they did almost share, say, cinema as a home, and no my day. Or maybe no. Hairdressers are a what Netherlands. On the way I made one.
Netherlands. Yeah.
When we said last year December, and I had 2 beer shop more Netherlands. Hairdressers. Or maybe Eddie Amawo. I or maybe Eddie Amawo. And also a NJ Sempa Enya Asem Ketua. Now, brother, United States of America. Assembia Akoso or any Shishemu Ababi to Jani said. Who's a call lockdown within a pandemic? Now, you expect to say, Kayana, you shift any day. Enka enkwalano chese ye bewo mo but omo chira nhwehwe mu aba bonte chira se omo ko she fie no ase nothing came nti no ase awo na nhya da masa na wo mu susu se nka omo ko ye die kanye enkwalano nka they will multiply but omo ko she mu no utumu se ade na ngoyi ankoyi kura nti omo se ha wo omo papa se die nti ana ebasa Pope Francis ehun asem bi aba na my friend na mi nya no my friend Pope Francis na bra
me fa cho Mingari
oh the way I would judge na wo ye be hwe me ni prako pe no
says Scott Minkari.
International.
I know.
Me.
Yes, I know you. I know you. I know. Me.
Brother, man, yes, sir. Mr. Man, yes, sir. It's in Mensakana, the Ubiano, but the Baba Betuja. Brother, your answer, I'm sorry, son. As I said, Ghana for Eshe at the Binzo. Maybano. Sisi an asema aba a chese amanfo ka ho asem eye ba ko pe
dasem
sisi an say one oba no say onya relationship for us na wo say oh we are building a very strong relationship na lady bi a minim no mi area one one doctor bi na chese they are building strong relationship na bisa say eh na den ote a wo su ne strong relationship na kwesi sen oso cement na omode isi no oma be wi ani nyina opese o ka asem kire me
already
na oso cement na omode isi no na je run say Tom Brown we de pa
yeah
tweet nso ye kama
ye say de edru kakra na
sa ho unsa woza kogo so nye bad yeah but brother forget about them all at the mention of Gary every spoon must bow.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Aboa ho. Akwa bi na ka na say Gary aboa ne se Nyankopon. Ebi pa ye rade Nyankopon. Eje izu.
Ebi.
Brother yinti one day wo mba ebe block wo wonim za. Se na ebe ya hu o mo start. Za wonim say normal.
Normal.
Ombe block wo se na ebe ya hu o mo start.
Enyere. Ni na so mbe hwe hu ye.
Brother ye kwedie ye be share Monday.
All right.
Na me pese me tu Ghana fofu.
Okay.
Me pacho ye adwumaden. Say na be ya those who are rejecting you today will search for you on Google.
Okay.
Yeah. For Obia Fantu ni koto dwum.
Ati.
Oye oba na say you have attended over 100 weddings na won ware nso a you are not different from a canopy. Thank you.
Okay.
Okwa achimoda ye frɛ kuro bi kejebi.
No kre
woka.
Na wejebi.
Na wejebi. Midin Edison Scott.
Okay.
Nyame amba biewa ye nka ne baba bie ye ka ne chiri. Esan se me kwa
obesa ba.
Mesan aba. Na kra obi bia.
It I say.
I don't know what that was.
Jerry, tomorrow is my small brother's birthday. His name is Eric Afum, aka Fish. So a happy birthday in advance going out to him. Away Tema comes to BBC with Mrs. Okan and Chen. Also wishing well. Our bro celebrating a birthday. My catch order that now this is just to remind you one more time. Nina say and key soup say on more assurance no say a crime be aso no adeɛ bia ni one more bet me dia toto so wo wasumdwe that absolute peace of mind what you say and the joy that comes with being authentic and genuine in expressing who we are and the knowledge that where we are from can guide us to where we are going and beyond. For all these years, Kisop has remained a loyal companion. Medofopa was key bar, a fail key at the pa, and now key brilliant. Nina Kabumwa, Omo Weshe Ghana Fonina, a happy independence match. There be independence month, not month. A matchy, yes, a happy independent month. A matchy imu. Tiana Washan Sosa, Ediama, a key soup. Now Akoswa, and so Ede key soup, Aye Juma, na Bibia etimi Akoye. Ever trust Akwe anymore, and this one here says, our dear mom, Martha Ansa, is celebrating the birthday. Yes. God has been so good to us. He has looked after you despite the challenges. Happy birthday. A perfect one to you. Yes, as you celebrate this special day today. May God's protection be with you as always. We love you so much. We love you so much. Happy birthday to you. And this one is coming from your children, Navina, Irene, Catherine, as well as James Pupulampu. We all wishing you, our dear mother, Martha Ansa, a happy birthday. Na mommy, na minsha wate, na onton kwandem, said your may can, na say, we na papa, omo de radiasi for your life. Irene Pupulampu, and Osende at the buy, or ne Ninu and Munina say, Omo Emma, Awodapa, Nyame, we shall, na on count, na on domo, ewe Yesudim. Amen. All right, so check the time now, just about 44 after 4. UT 106.3 Adom FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. Now, and then Friday, when him say Friday, be answer there, be timisi because freestyle Friday. What I say? And no, not just a formula be any. Ye jugumwa, ni jugumusa, ne kwa ni nano. A enjoyment near Dema War. I go kill you with enjoyment. Happy birthday in advance to you from Walanyo Akwetia Bokobi
murder. If you touch my baby, then it's a murder. Oh, they open up yo, Makuma to you. I don't wanna be poor, be the anti or day. When it find you, yeah.
Come and job was to be a dream work. Obi me boa me, na me here go quadro. Brother be shami and come and job was to be a dream work. The slide they will get in the DM. The troll like 10:30 p.m.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Cash your problem, but won't find my media massa show them. Yeah, what can some pano massa what did this and pano ya try to what trust and what Jim Mammy and the contribute the face. Oh, when no crown at the channel, why they would get him when I'm immediate. Do me, I do you. Things we do for the tonga. That was shabby too. I say, boy, wait, obey I won't can. Your bumper. Yeah, me here, no bumper. If you want to do a show jumper, I may order Uber, not a veggie anaconda. The silver bumper. Is it then a buffet nigga be a womba? Yachi one of bumper for him, I may turn a veggie anaconda. Obi me boa me, na me here go quadro. Brother be shami and come and job was to be a dream work. Obi me boa me, na me here go quadro. Brother be shami and come and job was to be a dream work.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jabby Justice.
Me and me pray, back off what's up so. I feel stressing me and me jawo. Scanning brand and I was so twitchy by my book. My wedding brio. Me is so binding, me do come in jayo. Tatamio. Mami Jimmy,
That's my man Lord Pepper. Doing alongside Bosom Pion. Asabone. Yeah, GNU. Yeah. Yeah, baba. Sit. Baba. The patrol girl saying Kyle say COVID-19 goes war. By a fuel stations need is safe. I'll bet me about on your bad business. About this, so yeah, and say all the protocols need now. No bed need now. So for come apart. We keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants. Now for face mask and woman I was him here say I bring now and obey me I share especially quiet public places. I feel I know I was showing some with soap and running water. You provided way in service stations I would need across the country. And also anchor down channel. If you are not in a position to wash your hands, I know we use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. EB and also be boapa. I feel I cover one no and no with tissue. A BBR base easy and our coffee. We are now disposing off into a bin immediately. Now when I walk yeah, recommend this a bank use electronic payment card and check the Go card. Let me have one will minimize the cash transactions. Very, very, very important part. Goya. Yeah, there. And you'll be a public announcement we the Ayawaso Central Municipal Health Directorate in the Diabasa Infanto General Public Name, especially persons in the Ayawaso Central Municipality of the rollout of the first phase of COVID-19 vaccination. It shall say from the 2nd of March in Adom on the 11th of March 2021. The vaccination will cover the following categories of persons. Frontline health workers, teachers in public and private facilities, 50 years and above, and persons with underlying health conditions, persons 60 and above, frontline security personnel, frontline members of the executive, legislature, and judiciary. Intia na machine so sawai na obi antimi nko woni de na enye kama Yoguswa ya confirm say ene TV na we use no betimi akoso use the same TV na nemum de say we say be ma on saka the new HD plus decoder na odi aboso aka ho from the nearest authorized dealer and any Electroland showroom nationwide. Now what me enjoy the Philly experience here I can want me on your HD TV like never before. And they said the ocean on so more the amount saka the new HD plus decoder now. Quality no bet me on 5 times better than standard definition. You know what I'm saying? Phrase 0242 439 872 for further details. Na yamwa na so wo hwere afilia wetimi ahwe no afili ni yi kama pa. Yeah baby. Papa, please tell Deacon Jerry to wish Deacon Isaac Tete from the Church of Pentecost, JT Okra Temple, Sakumono District, a happy birthday. More prosperity, more life. And this one's coming from Stephen Fusu Esiama, aka Psalm 23, Tema Sakumono. Okay, let's jump into one of my favorites. I love it, and I know you love it too. Yeba. Boko. Woo. Uh-huh. A 2. A 3. I'm in love. I said I'm in love. Baby, let me cover you. When you stand under you. Oh, na 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 na. Hey. Uncle, stop touching me. Uncle, stop touching. Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam. I won. Again. I two. I three. Kwabna Jollof. You hear the song now, he send me message. They kill me, they kill me. What are they taking you? Inshraba Tozik on Facebook says a happy birthday to my dear brother Emmanuel Yeboah, Resurrection Power, New Generation Church. Na Ote Eye Apraku. Okay, so a happy birthday to him. Under you. Oh na 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 na. Aku Sika Edu Jenfi also says a happy birthday going out to Emmanuel Success Owusu, MPP Youth Organizer, Asawase in Kumasi. And then also on Facebook, Richard Kobla. I said, Jerry, tomorrow is my birthday, so wish me great. Okay, I'm wishing you all the greatness that you wish for yourself, yeah? Enjoy your birthday in advance, yeah? It's more way I'm a favorite now, like myself. Enjoy it, yeah? Dede is a pioneer. Oh, Dede. I said, brah, it's been a long time. Please wish my mom and sister a happy birthday for me. That's Madame Elizabeth Coleman of Site 10. Isn't it D22, yeah? She turned 76 today. So a happy 76th anniversary to you, Madame Elizabeth Coleman. And then Mary Awuni of Puba Catering Services, Tema Committee 2. You're also 25 years old today. May God bless the two of you. I said I'm in love. Hey, baby, let me go by you. When you stand under you. Oh, na 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 na. Hey. touching me.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry, madam. A 1. Hold on. A 2. Hold on. A 3. Hold on.
Jerry Justice.
Charlie, with Bedboro Ghana, everything not double. Bedboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Bedboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
You be Go TV Lite, Value or Plus subscriber? Time it rule. So be unlock it to me with TV no more. Upgrade the Go TV Max and Nenya at a discounted price, 60 Ghana CDC pay. You will enjoy over 50 local and international channels for less. No darling cry. Local series, telenovelas, blockbusters, sports, any kids channels pop baby. Make you stay connected via my Go TV app and any pay-by-the agent near you. Now enjoy maximum entertainment with Go TV Max for less. Offer day from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&C supply. Go TV. Love it.
Yes. Oh, I say, you're not putting them out for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Go slow. The maze is cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm chino. Me, you funny. No more bomu. No, baby, sure, I'm no kuno. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is here. We am bedroom marriage. I want to Papa Brown Sana Waba. So I constipation. I am try. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, but we am so way. Hey, you figure I am try. What to host is so much to plenary you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Rebogo. You're fana much. On time upon a we am go fine. The Bibiara son. San Jaisu Yabaklik away Jaisu WMP capsule. Happen to a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We all remember our first, don't we? Your first job, your first road trip, first time you fell in love, your first pet, your first ride in a posh car, and on and on. So make your first smartphone experience special with the Samsung Galaxy A02. Capture all your memories with its dual camera and preserve them in 64 gigabytes of awesome memory. Be as boundless as its amazing screen and keep going with 5,000 mAh of battery power. The Samsung Galaxy A02 lets you talk, chat, snap for longer, so each time is just like the first time. Visit your nearest Samsung shop and make the Samsung Galaxy A02 your first choice at 679 CDs for the 64 gigabyte memory option or 559 CDs for the 32 gigabyte option. Terms and conditions apply.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our workers car. Charges some 380 CDs.
What send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bucks so. Me atie. Se we be move work Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. I say me network need there.
Tie. What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na mum tie asem dead pa. What send this ka Vodafone cash so a free. What send this ka free Vodafone cash akwa network bia so and so you free. Into work catcher. What does so yet then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash says yeah.
Hey, masa you chip not to ball am sisi.
I know
say dear, we send this sika wo Vodafone cash so I con network bia so a free. Send this sika do bia and prend do bia con network bia so free. Dial *110# says see in send this sika.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Ghana nyumnina hadie ne boss.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
From the top,
The Almighty Street.
Cash on it, mommy, again. Chidi if you do me like wobbe. Yeah. Same taste, a pigeon lime and more. Yeah. Chidi make a craze with a body shape. Yeah. Give me good soup on a Sunday. Follow for you on the first day. Me bow your dimmy nice one, yeah. Oh, I change mine down home for a while. Oh, I change mine down home for a while. All the man I was just the goose too, yeah. Won't make it no say I don't know how. Won't make it no say I don't know how. Never let you go say I don't know how. I put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little things, see I never. Put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little things, see I never.
I give you anything you want, make I know. Oh my girl, you blow my mind, yeah. I need my girl like a boy, you love me, come on. No need you, so I need my feet, I know. Oh my girl, I know the lie. Everything, baby girl, you be everything. Say your vibe, you be everything. So for your love, baby, I just think, you get back, no ass on you.
I put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little things, see I never.
And we are back again. And there's this message here. It reads, "Good evening, Brad Jerry. Please, can you play the I'm in Love song again for me? Because I was enjoying it. And then you stopped for the advert. Please, who composed that song?" He's done your big woman fool. And no me title, I'm in love. I'm in love now. Title near you.
You know who I find you. You find.
I said, you're born more than 2 times grow. Hey, still has more.
You know you find.
Hey, I say, Mindy Wagro. Mindy Wagro. And I'm playing this one for you. Abigail Sharif. Oh, yeah. Parma, Italy. Today happens to be your birthday. Happy birthday going out to you. Nah, wow, down for. Yeah. Afia. Give me good soup on it. See baby. Tema Comtify. Semen can't say nyame unsha pa. Na on ton kwandemo. Come on. So enjoy your birthday.
Never let you go.
And special greetings going out to you, Jennifer Fiakumi. At your sign. Manya line, no. Bibia bear fine, right? Jerry, tomorrow happens to be my mom's birthday. That's Auntie Grace, aka Ogre of Tema Community 8 Cooperative. May God Almighty continue to protect her. Yes. I want her to live long to see my grandchildren. She's been the pillar behind me. Wait, Nana say Chris Wado and Chain. And then Ogri, Nyamisha Ate, non trunk on them. Oma down kwa. And there's another one here that says, please wish our mom, Mrs. Grace Akusia Anoche of Jolu Methodist Church a happy birthday, though belated. And then a happy birthday in advance also to Judith and then Shelley of St. James Catholic Church. May God bless them. And this one came in from Efia, Akusia, Nana, Ama, and then Nanaya. Happy birthday also going out to Loretta Ifia Ajiman, CEO of Loretta Kids and Teens, and no a modeling agency. Loretta Ifia Ajiman, Loretta Kids and Teens Modeling Agency. DJ Yahuzi. Also, always show happy birthday, pa. Now, Mika say, Nana Romeo, Eti Yedibenu, as usual, said, yeah, no, oh, nah. Really, I said, Tiobodom, no, send yeah, no. Now, Ansana, you didn't come on Ashisha Sono. My main car was say, and they kiss up say, I'm fan two anymore. Sa dear Bakwa. It me my na a dissery by a nim na any gestion come by a kumum and see a back kai the good old days. What I say? Nemum, what's even better crown say? When that smells last longer and it lasts for generations. And they key soap I take care of the nation's laundry needs. I reward the Ghanaians every step of the way. Yetimia sachemu ama key soap semene and nay yetimia babenyamu key brilliant. But yanka say ne ye kona befunti tete de ne agya to ho. Yegusua ye kramu a yen longest lasting traditional bar eye key soap pomande akasa pa no. Yegusu giramu den. A tradition of smiles, a future that is bright. Happy Independence Month. Kisu still a man sambo for. And one seven. Now my man fee say and then you mean so ya wow. Now what to me a shine or hustle. Ye baby young man out to now yen wedding come out near share. A dear Juma now ye. Ya bet me a shine with Jumano. Aha. Not just say and they yen near cree. Said the nanwa dana akwaya. Or no a fan milk vendor, watch church any DM, and there was where you my way, and so to me shine on the no, near the quay anymore. Tea, Shannon so. A baby phone lines not to near the no swabro, and I share, said the ABC, Ako, Afa. Nana, Aquaba, na and Pomu to say, upon me, Yedanyamias, Ubibesiana, the Akani, ya you crucum, you go to Tiasi de, and Nasiani, the Bemenyamia. Aye, ya trust was then not the Ashushano. Oh, they are my aye. Do a Vianim wedding, Yamia when we ye, you.
Remember, you know,
as a home.
Now, me who video be a very interesting part. Sana, yeah, bro. Me who video now. Scania or Pearl Banning here in your Proba.
Uskania
for a crowd.
Uskania or
Scania or Pearl Bow.
Or who about Penno
here near or who about Penno. Now, who difference now to say so? The enemy to go to be oh, dog. Into the banner Betiasi. Scania Casao.
Oh, Casa.
Oh, when you're coding about Penno.
Yeah. Obana share. said the name make kakona and no unka e kra na ono apese wo ye ne ntem na wo se ne pe
oh ntia e from crown fa oh bone ben oh ya be you and then who say you oh chale anya from pe oh
the cash ono so betimi akona ono kra on ka hweba o ya action kakra ne ade a afi ono ho kra ba na betimi afa oh how you doing I called to say thank you are you home oh I was wondering if I could pass by the ono ade ba
I haven't heard from you today so I decided to
yes
but here
you see that oh you
Charlie yes no
arabo ne
lady ya oti choko we true story pa o lady ne ti choko na oti choko ni na o share ring wedding ring
yeah
enti boys ring na ni so o ya kra ko pe no sa on pe e ho boys no onya tu ni na
pie open wey ring no na just we available
o gas printers ni si go dia no the ring na share the bag but ya come back to choko pe ko sa share the ring
so the area boys ne ha na dream
yes you why ni yes can you
oh man e be ye nya me tiase
guy bi na tete na no say suban again
o de nam no
ya no na wa ha ye hu say be ma bia no ya wa share we
yeah
sa u bia no wa ya show but on pecho boys yari awia so ye ba ya ye nkomo na ye di na na ye di aba na awia nkomo na mama kai tamwa isu ano say ye adwonso ana didi agro bo say na why say na you so no wa ma no kosoro
na atosen
yes
wo kwa yetimi di skills kakra ne ade a
sana e good pa ma ye na ne enim sa ye se ba bia ye nyina du yentimi nya sa bi mu yes
se wo ye wo be fo hu se sia
oh yes about me
se wo yes ade npe wo be fo hu se sia oh Johnson begu wa ho
na saa ni nyina no ye nyini no nuane na ye di ni ntina ma ye nyini ye ntimi nya saa de anwumre give us for as usual ye nro mienu a ekura mi give us speak capsules ni co capsules no me ba chomo amo TV no so no na say Instagram no and Facebook no we kwa dey say Facebook eti no eni ni obo wa tidin give us no ba onim say de do no ne husuo tie eni ni me ba cho we ni give us speak capsules and na we ni give us co capsules so offer sando mi no boma de ye ne say enei sebio obi o ha odwonso kra ne mu achemienu na ye rough na say ye didi agro mesrew enya de didi agro odwonso na mu chemienu pe ebo nka ye say unya problem ba o bladder no problem iba ho obi won so a obre won juice mu odwonso no nyina obechima chima dwonso de nka me hu yi nyankopon no ma mienu o ye ya feelings won pa baako eye dwonso eni say o si WC ni so na o ye ohu ye na no na me kase ba bia ya tenasi sua de pa ko yetimpa no eye WC so toilet so what WC so pa na o kenkan graphics ka fondo do na hono mo kenkan o newspapers no o ti so a wo ye ohu ye no na o ready o ti bibia nti mo amatro mass san of the ka tra no masua de wo living room ha che mo nkotena WC ni so na musua mass no e be komuti mu ntempa now obi o ha okoyare no so a o enjoy because se bi producer constipation no adodo na ma ochim kra nyeye obomu se bio feces na eba no ya ne no den kase pa na me kase wan hwe obepra sa de no bebre nimye amomanya hu problem enei se bio ontumi kra nya ne nan fa ho because ade no eye den na eba no wan hu se de ye no eno pie ni nyina at once wan hwe ya obepra mesro constipation na droni give us co-casus any give us p no na emwama sebio uyama atim na untumi nja wonan na aye dindindin a sebi wo beja wonan je se wo chim sa no mesro ni nyina tu atwa me ba cho give us p wonu mu a eboa etu ayam tim ni nyina ase ebiem obi wo ho a oja ne nan na moja firi mu ba eni ntina na ihwemu kire se onipa bia se wo koya ne no so na oye hu yewie na pepa ho a ansa na de beto that's been mu be yanka hwe say color ne tisɛn obi ho a ogya ne na moja pa firi mu ba but ohun because the sun say eya ade a wonfa woni hwenti no oya na de to emoja wo sebi oya ne mu a na che se wo problem give us co-capsules give us speakers fabo na emwa ebia na sebi o obema mu hihyew wo ho na obema mu ya oya odwonso a utum sa obema mu ya oya dwonso no kra ma papa dwonso no ba toto ni nyina e problem obu ha ekuro woni bema mu wadro give us speakers give us co-capsules enamu sa ya de e friend STDs no anase STIs no ye besere se wonya bia wodidi agora wo hwe bese wa wode ehwe mu kire se ema na wo muntumi ngo no tieni ye pa course no 30% every mema na ho nti bema bi wo ho na se ono oba ti no oba na nwa na bema ni nuamba an na okoware oba ya ka niyam sementa onwo obekom so na problem ni free bema no because bema no na wo ye producer what you say ona wo produce o na sabi o semen no every wo sabi o bema mu akogu oba na se na semen mu na sperm no enkwamo no wa ombetu nkosua wo ba na se ene wo semen na every mu kogu oba na se no enkwamo sperm no awu omagene na ekogu oba na se sabi ebe den na tunkosua mo ba na nyensen nti afede wo de nti a oba nwa eni kwa se so di blame no mo ba no enye ma na produce emema na produce ma no nti wo produce kogu oba na se a na fe emoawa na wono wo de kogu oba na se nkwamo sperm no na omo atunkosua but because of say wo emoa na wo produce ma oba no ama na kogu oba na se no omo agini nti omo ntumi ni tina sister no wo no problem na no mesre se kope give speak capsules na pe give us kono nanom na emoa ema enkwamo no mpi na hode mbramu na omuntumi ntunkosua ma oba ne nyensen oyo oba na so wanya namu sayade a ebetumi de oye ne bebrebro ba ko ne se obahu se wo fa nyensen a na miscarriage ni no ha bagim se sia na nyensen na sei odi a share ba ifo sa anya ba yie me pa cho enamu sayade emoa wa no se emoa no wo so a se bi de omo ye ne se omo didi wa ode no ho tubohu se sperm na e wo se tunkosua wo wase no na enamu sayade emoa no omo di sperm no te basa na sperm no entimi tunkosua yes no kope give us speak capsules na pe give us kodanum eye man mema nyina duro oba wubu nsa wo bre in fact oba se me hu so oba ebu ni nsa na obra na eme ya because ade anka mema betumi aya nka oba so do that time of the month na nka bema bia age abu ama ne yire enso enye yie enti ebesere oba bia wubu nsa problem wo mu no give us for say sorry kafra nanso se wonya give us bi ni ko na sister sa problem no etu obetwa se wubu nsa na moja no entumi ma ana eba toto ana moja na eba no ani yetuntum mesrew give us speakers give us konanom sexual weakness low libido low sperm count afi obema sebi otabia entumi manimu so obema ukokudo so ntumi sori ye emanimu so after 1 minute na sa kaniti ato mesrew oye bema na otisa ohwe a obedum DDT ba nemre mu no oye bema na obema nyadwuma manum DDT why mesrew kope give us ko ni pino nanom because bema bia o bema ntimi sori ni ntubedum DDT no bekwa akoto nyankopon heavy o yode be ye wo ho no ebia na wampe enipa mpa na nyankopon etwa wachi ma abra na nka betumi anum aduro na boa give us speakers give us go nom na emwao na bibia nya fan sisiade obi a ne sisia ne yapa wanum ndro sa yade no nko onya give us speakers ne ko na sisiade ne beko give us de kan say ndro mienu we ya medi ho adanse no yade amabobo so nyina no sa wonum ndro mienu we na nkwa fantoa no ko na kwaji sika tietia number is 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 ye be wie no ye de give us about meshawe ene be wie na the air can say ye be sre give us industries for see and country obi say vaccine no obi amfa ne ho hyem sebio mpanyifo na bu baby se nipa nyina e dane moa na wandane aboa ye dane aboa wi a wan ye be ba be we nti ne ya vaccine na ba ye se ye wona wo de wo so wo no wanwa ye wo wi a bi ba e wa no asemo that time no o kwa na beko ye nyatu amena wi de adu tumpe na se yakata so na ya ja ho na e ba fie ye be sre vaccine no wo bi tieni ye pa wo bi o vaccine wi a koso na di protocols no so ohronsa show no mask na de ade wo wi a na wanum give us about me shey kura mi ye say obi obanum give us about me shey bia obenya covid-19 yade no onfa ne hospital bus rembra na give us industries yebetu akama no de atia ne se ene hwemu kire se covid-19 no ansa na obenya covid-19 no na eye coronavirus mo wani bi na wura system no mu na emo no wura system mu a emo ni di 14 days omutumi survive 14 days ni wi a na fe omo de yare e fe no covid-19 na brew Ghana ha ye we enipa bebre na coronavirus ni bi awuro mu a omo ntumi anyini ama yare no ama entitie emane nyo se watimi abo ho ban abroso bi asa o nipa bebre coronavirus ni bi enter omo body but because of some immune system near strong nti no omo nya covid-19 ni bi nti mesrew aduro na nie secret na nie se Ghana ni bia woni we bi ofie bia no na che se wa na wayo nyo bi na kumantwi de tie ne se aduro yi yade ya no ba jeri beto aso no de ka ne se aduro we wo yare wo nyare ko pe binom ye fa ne givers herbal mixture FDA for omo number ni ntimo am wo Facebook no mo hwe ba bia ntwere fita no wana sepe FDA number ne da ho no ye ndro di nyina ya approved by FDA. Enti any side effect bia obi anom se wo ye oba se wo ye bema numbi apart from oba onyem ene oba o ma akoda no for ene akoda wonya 12 years apart from that obi atumi nom me ba totie se wo yare o se wo nyare o obanum give us aba me sha fa bon ho ban onum give us aba me sha COVID-19 na bi nya da ene 1 2 obi a onum give us aba me sha no malaria ntumi nkum no da typhoid jaundice fever no way Tieniye, se wo bon ho ban na person bon ho ban ya. Ene Ghana ha yade a ekum ni papa ya malaria. Se COVID ni so ban no, eno so yi ni pani film 1111. But the person wo tena asase so change no. Ye bon wo dawura kire say the whole Ghana aduru a etumi bo immune system no ban ni kura mi. Eye the cheapest so far. Ewa Ghana dodo na wo dwa se bi 200 e bi 300 500 cedis na wo give us we no endru 20 Ghana po ba bia ye to adro bia no obenya the best solution for your immune boosting so person boost your immune system no enini give us herbal mixture tie se wo yare o nom ba bia ye to adro bia no obenya bi je number no na ye nsore so 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 me ba cho 2 ne ye miensa eye 222 0543 222 470 me ba cho de atienie ye koi obi wo ha ntumi ni di obi wo nante kakra na wabre wo ye dwumade kakra na wabre aisa wo yare aisa wo nyare wo didi so fon na wo fon give us about me shadini ba bia to ado bia benya bi ko na kotobi na fa bo ho ban obi obanum give us about me shobenya COVID-19 no hwemanim manim nie wo hia ba bia betumi ama police for acheme ananso say fa hospital bills na bra na give us yentu ati kwaku anwumbre me baya ya sem nyina na mde abegu no akasa amanfo betu na mo o se de o waso no ontie na wantie so de a mihuni yankade na too late
yes
madaroma
no so de ba ne sai ye ho hwe yi all right the way no so mi pia so ama na my ye said de be ya de be na ye hye nkrofo nkran se omonko teki vaccine no mo mu tie de nkrofo bi kika wan hwe yi a obi be ya abu abam ade no wo ba hwe enye na medical account a kire mo dada se ade no den about system no one kire say ade no kra say wo sha say react to it eno na kire say ade no ye adwuma etino enya ade bi ehu bia what I say enya ade bi ehu ni nyina ne say wo di kan dia show trim say ubetimi afili fish kakra so what I say ubenya slight headache kakra kito awabo wie ne most people no enya experience we on the second day after taking the vaccination no but no crown no enye the whole day ni na so what I say ebetimi abasa wo kakra be do ube mre kakra to say wenya malaria bia why buhu kakra no wa but enya de bia eye bibia ehu bia say de ebinim kan hu okrum sa no what I say it don't be discouraged neko na osuku take you vaccine na ebetimi abo pa right tina na e dase mapia the amount na chese ye nka ho asem kakra na ye fa encourage amafo na omonkowo abusua de omu se enche bia se utimi e shine onso o hustle no etimpacho enei adwuma ben e na wo ye na tie wei or say my job qualification entails maximization of vehicular performance. I familiarize myself with the Yerade Akwei. Chese ono we na yeka kan ni na chese mechanic no fit ani no na o che na adwuma mu no chese on kasa me fitani diet na won say o fitani ono so ne dia wo cheche mu no so what I say na chese ill performance ill performing vehicles and then devise creative and economical solutions for automobile repairs to put the above mentioned vehicles back on their previous performing state. Internet as a way no or fit any, but once said they're all shining hassle no. And the announce where you my ben aye. Quite ben obet me first one so obe shiny a or hassle no. What I say, ye tons afro, ye beautiful lines natum. Bowrum na yanshe wa be bon modin ye pan. O wa chede o ya obet me aje na che say bibia akoyi ediama. So stay tuned. Ibetwa homanatum na fe onso atimi ahu de ekọ ene de ba in no time.
Ibi family chale. Ibi family chale. Chris if you give me benzo, I never give me long life. For me and the baby I day and night. Fis on me I no be my might. I don't say one day we go die. But don't get to the whole why. It's too much and I know I'm coming back. And no one I'm show where do I Father my boss, Kabeya, you ready, cause on for so me shatter be a trust to officer she also, or see what's your part, and I say wash also now. Me shots and I me did throw me TK, me bomb me home day to day, oh me baby and your face where the money day na Sunday, chop bar, many money play, party bay, manjewa guy, non ya me type, me the hursa wa papa cry, non ya me size, Gucci in the ice, crepes water life, Obian come as some more come so I fight, tell me what you money no fee answer, she me fool, while I be the stomach cancer was spreading me mo I dey die all this money and I can't buy life first thing first do one for me. Adrian and I am in goody. To my name, I'm in poli. No tax on my money. My first thing first do one for me. Adrian and I am in goody. To my name, I'm in poli. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. No one in the jar also. But you only live once, so you know my main control. If you don't know, cause nobody knows tomorrow. No one in the jar also. Cause you only live once, so you know my main control. If you don't,
get ready to call me and shine your hustle. Now you're all right, so 0302-216-561. African, let's go. 0302-216-562. Chatum says here and Kwesi Boateng on Facebook says, Jerry, what's the name of the guy who was on your show and was poet? And was poet. Okay. I think Nana Sassino okay, Anna. Like two weeks back, but it hasn't been 2 weeks. But Obia Wabaha baby, I think Nana Sassino was last week, Anna. Somewhere last week, yeah. But your friend Nana Sassino, you can search for him, Nana Sassino on social media handles.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
Why? African young trust near said the name of Bissia Quafana.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
In fact, she didn't man yanko. We a fun you go. Shine your hustle. Any of the brave one. You're fine first caller now. Yanko your name. Hello, good evening. Hello,
good evening.
Yes, good evening. Yep, Patrick Frost saying.
Ekuya Malam Junction.
Ekuya Malam Junction.
On said yes. you. Yes, sir, Kia. Kia Papa B. Cosmetics. Cosmetics. What about your spray?
David, sister, Nyamute. Hey, hello. Nyamute. Sister Kuya.
Yes, Jerry.
Nyamute.
Martin. And then you wish. Oh, coconut.
Radi is you. Not T. Na adie minka se shine no hustle you kra na ufuti yana dia woke ken so dia wan hwe yi kra na a disqualify wo na abena eti tobo asensa na eti di ade ni yi won say obi a ono oye mechanic no ore fitani no wan kasa o fitani o ono se ne job qualification ni say obetimi a maximize a vehicular performance. What you say? It means that when you are doing physical craft fit and at some crowd now they said okay now. Me ba na ubemami. Okay, mpacho enti we ja say me te ha.
O hwehwe me am wa malam dancing. E kria ba kopse. E kria minister na ntumo table so ba me se online. Me mo hwa ye fe. To baby, a dear Marcia, a clear malam dancing, a.k. Konya Babawa.
Baba, you. Sir, Abuja, you, me patch your move friend, why not? Hey, Babu. Happy birthday going out to you, one God. Stone boy. You're for a next caller. Hello. Too bad. Let's try one more time and see. Hey. Wow. All right, and so bet me after now channel hustle 0302216561 0302216562. Hello.
Hello, Justice.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Boss, you are first saying.
But I'm meeting Daniel from Asankuma. Because Nima.
Okay, Dan. Adjuma Ben aye.
But I'm electronics, you repair fan, blender, light speaker, the whole Nima. We do researcher. No chef of B. For the one, Bia do Baba. Now, me,
what's that? I was shining house on I don't know.
Your credit in one to make my starting.
Go anyway.
Yeah, it will Nima research. Neck and the shop of B. Video soldier, or Bia do Baba because Nima for your man. We mean no when them. Sister hit more. Fano, blender, rice cooker, microwave. Electrical appearance for me, you say anything now. No, oh, you did so a genuine because need of food near me, or my gun is near me. Oh, what's that?
Now the movie idea, and then the crack more, and no credit about and then the and Yamina may award the maximum, but as compared to what happened last week, and then the so far there by Nimian and crop and credit o can no free t example we and yes I feel I be kind of meduma and about me was na t we o the moon t we answer na mo am person mo ba no maba or say I am the head of surveillance in charge of monitoring the habitation of my employer, which I do by patrolling his demarcated area. I also filter population movement with the purpose of restraining trespassers from gaining access to the property. She said the watcher na DMU. But to be reaching no back bizan said do not be no or say na duma na watchman. You see that thing. And to the Pebibika, now friend about church and I'm a ton. You one about me more chain and over my post it away. Hello.
Hello, Roger.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
You're from saying?
You're from Godfrey, a.k.a. Legacy.
Okay, Godfrey Mpacho Yentiwe.
Okay, me try to me also watch.
Okay. Mama just me who
okay. I work in a company. I have a company whereby we calculate the human body, divide it on a fabric, then we put it under an industrial machine, then.
Meet you.
Okay. I work in a company whereby you calculate the human body, divide it on a fabric, put it under an industrial machine, then have a nice design for you to take it to church.
Yeah, we are fashion designer. This is it, man. What's your first say? Joe, why? This is simple. Joe, you do all. Enti kosune wow. Na do details no be ma fan mark for ntino bibia ni a wa be hu de ekọ what I say wa juma na enre ara mo yesa na ma fu na oba Hello, brother. Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, Patrick Frost saying.
The Patrick
Joyce.
Hi.
Okay, Joyce. Shine no hustle no. Na me hwe say ye behu ade a won so ye na why.
Me Patrick. Me Patrick me bro Fanta.
Okay, that's nice.
I join a refined fabric, being cotton, silky, polyester, linen, nylon, or any type of it in any form of human structure.
And you now the so abranche la ibia boa.
Mommy fachi.
Oh, that be at us and why you use a opamade and yes, I saw pomade. Okay, Trini at the mirror sense of bed. Trini,
Meka Asawa, Yachita, Nesania, or that's me. Now who's your tears? And now who's your sister? Ne anase ya ope de emanoso. Pastor Mary.
You, that's a pa. All right. Young for last one, African young for last one. Hello. Yes, good evening.
Good evening, Roger.
About your friend saying.
About your friend called Hassan, aka Freedom Fighter.
Okay, Freedom Fighter and Patrol Yentio Hassan. No.
Okay. Me nipa da sani na mitimi etwitwa pipe ema ne ye pieces na me dia ye design kama ema ubetimi dia agbo ho kan ewo ufie anase odan ho anase bibiara opese o man ye tse ibia security guide no bia mitimi aye efa pipe no ma bene into design wa okay enti design bia ma wa ubetimi bia cover ubi bia pese obo ho ban
enti in that case no na wo ye edien no
electric weather
I got you Joya Dasipa emuye ya dasi fan you go for down man any day shine your hustle activation every Nyame Adom be hwe next week Friday you say dey be si akwafa etimpacho mo amabom homode no mo info ni na ye ka say edu farm for hoda dada etina kwan bia so no bibia be ko yi amamo na motimi anya de mo de betwa monum anakriwa. Okay, so Joko they not say all pep point be, you know. I think say Kwapin brother Sandy be said the Abiana or he's talking about the say Atachi Richard sa guy bi na young guy bi no buy na so no buy ache I was no poet bi na no but no dey so buy him say 3 week crab. Anyways, only park no check of the two now. The ori no. Okay. Your friend Siana, your Fafila and Traso. And then from there now Yakufi Yakoda. Mami boat at Nasi Yamana Kwaba Nafi on fire and Nefla. Mami boat.
Right, Jerry.
That is a nice one. Miss me hoya pa. Be cool. Yeah.
Betting some panzano.
Okay, that's nice. Cool cry. Oh, me stretch.
Yeah. To the American and then or your stone boy, their birthday, our boy. See, happy birthday to the B master, one God. Happy birthday, so come on, baby, will be what's the son, a fun, papa, what's there? If you're concerned, the one God will take papa, and see, happy birthday to you, one God. Now, Brajery, in the name of the name of Kakra. Now, I'm going to put one God the picture video. Now, picture watcher pa. A picture of Mutu, mom, some time, you get your picture now. If you are my channel, be about 12 years ago, I'll be about 10 years ago. Yeah. Not one God, what's the picture numbers out to do.
Okay, it's in journey on Facebook and check that one out.
One God, oh, what's the matter? Where are you? Number time on all each other, not being
yeah.
There's your boxer shorts, kakra, there's your t-shirts, no kakra, there's your chains, not all the yoga, not all rain, but Yamiasi, but you say, you beginnings be them now. You who most men who want to see why you're not or ye crunch some can say or encouragement. The man here no mind, you're but no. And see, Dambra, who fishing the Tibia and the Biam, the Massamno, or your possible Bibiara, or your possible papa. Number may show put away Banku be young. I have Banku that Lapia be with Zavina, Sachina Musa, and that will be no one away to the picture. And see, happy birthday, may another picture of no, and on ye Calvin boy, Calvin boy said that Damadano or your dad, Refrida, Damadana on ye one guy tried and picture. No, it was the first time on a Calvin boy or she one guy, the picture so for sure is that to do a Facebook.
Okay, so you can check those pictures out. They are all on our Facebook wall, yeah.
Kelvin boy met Stone boy.
Yeah.
The picture no na yeza so do no nti no so able to na bonyo akomra ba je rin cha him there or chino no or your 6th of March.
Yeah.
Nti or Independence Day kase mahende ya Ghana fo e won ba je impeden kai ya exercise kakra yo dem bro kakra you butum say you butum ya pick for 3 bi kra na na ke frɛ he na e wo na say I was the national anthem that say able to say be about recite pledge no so amahena yenwu obaje.
Okay, so yeah, share wow, so yeah Ghana ni pa national anthem and pledge no the obetimi aka bia no and the baako be kana baako beto the obetimi ato ana the obetimi aka e pacho Francis here.
See how patriotic
yes.
are you?
0302216561 0302216562. Let's see who can do this. We need just 3 people. We are picking only 3 calls. Hello, good evening. Hello. So why did you call? Unto original swankers African food. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
If I try for saying.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. You're for saying.
But your family is here.
Okay, Fia, are you going to recite the pledge or sing the anthem?
I'll sing the anthem.
Okay, we're listening.
Bless the homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of France. Sailor as we true you reasons of friendship with all our might.
And forevermore.
Worship rendition.
Wait there, Uncle Baby, now Montano. Okay, let's make our next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
What's your friend say?
Me the gift me can say Lebanon.
Okay, so gifty. To national anthem now can play, you know.
National anthem.
And the Empire to me and quiet.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Both with the cause of freedom and of right. The last victory,
you do all. You're for last one. You're first time call. Hello.
Hello, Blackhead.
Yes, good evening.
Evening.
You're from saying?
Hello. What's your name, Kelvin?
Kelvin, how old are you?
12 years.
12. Okay. Kelvin, are you going to sing? Wait. Was that a great? Okay, Kelvin, go on.
God bless homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Those to be thankful ever. Therefore, all freedom and of right. La Jerry,
I love my listeners. Oh man. Yamisha Muna. Yamuna. And no. All right.
Into Ochina for full party tintamono. But or you stay home edition.
Yeah.
Mamma, member, I for 4 years or more. It's no fear.
Yeah.
No do for free. No, and it is a more on your day. I'm able to now join as a Yariano. Into by way of joining, no, as a being there, it's the fearless is for free now.
Probably to make your process, no. Now, I said to know some bit to make your chain.
Oh, here there's a hashtag.
Tim.
A poster, natural hashtag Tim. Hash no, there's a TIM. As I shall say. Yes, a video now. You're able TV drama, able to me, able to me a repost to crowd social media. Into more here one the bed, Amazon, Tibrajery, Mrs. Mammy Boatsama, the front door, president for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Masardo.
Yeah, I say
In them for the main way they go to real mix. The new artist.
All right, so young fast that can say my proud sponsors. Oh my boy, am I the fly bro? That's Vodafone. If I try Vodafone, say new use Vodafone cash now. They say this can move be where Vodafone cash way free and Joe charges be same way we use Vodafone cash now. They say this can move be or any other network be as why equally free. Why I say so? Me waste this car on charges. Our bro will send this car the amount for mobile money. So what I say about Vodafone cash is why no a free and Joe charges be so go on dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready?
And the first back on by the beach, I live on. Tell me what's up, Castro. Back on. Fella. ASEM with the fella.
All right, so a happy birthday going out to Stoneboy, and I'm gonna go way back into time, and play one of my favorites from Stoneboy to wish him a happy birthday. Yes, today. He calls this one Kiss and Cry. Enjoy. May God bless you and bless your hustle. One God, Stoneboy. Happy birthday to you, bro. Let's go.
Hey, you've been searching, you've been trying, you've been looking for love. You've been searching, you've been trying, you've been looking for love. But now, woman, kiss and cry. time you never get a loving like this. Here I come. So bad you don't know. So love you don't see. That love really exists in front of your eyes and you couldn't realize. So bad you don't know. So love you can see. That love really exists in front of your eyes and you couldn't realize. So many fake folks, yeah, they only blind folks with them plastic love, but them are like stuff. Them no cool like ice. Woman, kiss and cry no more. My love is at your door. A long time you never got a loving like this. Here I come. Woman, kiss and cry no more. My love is at your door. A long time you never get a loving like this. Here I come. To give proper loving, better treatment. No nagging, no fighting. Only smooth.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
The punching on your face.
as usual, it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with a Friday's edition of your own show. Yes, Freestyle Friday. And I want to say a very big thank you to you for staying with us from Monday up